Hey guys! Today we are checking out some amazing Amazon products designed to improve comfort, safety, and mobility for seniors and caregivers. These smart and practical products can help make everyday life easier, safer, and more comfortable at home. Let's get started. All product links are in the description below. At number 1, the upgraded version bed sensor alarm, a smart safety device that alerts caregivers when someone gets out of bed, helping prevent falls and improve safety. It gives instant alerts, reduces fall risk, improves monitoring, works wirelessly, and provides peace of mind for caregivers. Number 2, the 4-in-1 folding bedside commode chair, a practical and multifunctional support solution designed to make daily bathroom use safer and more convenient for seniors, patients, or people with limited mobility. It works as a bedside commode, shower chair, raised toilet seat, and safety support chair while helping improve comfort, reduce fall risk, provide extra stability, and make caregiving easier at home. Number 3, the ViveGate belt, a strong and reliable transfer belt designed to help caregivers safely assist seniors or patients while walking, standing, or transferring from bed to chair. It improves safety during movement, provides better support and control, reduces fall risk, makes transfers easier for caregivers, and helps support individuals with limited mobility during daily activities. Number 4, the MedQ digital pill box with alarms, a smart medication reminder system designed to help seniors take the right medicine at the right time without missing doses. It gives automatic alarms and alerts, helps organize daily medication, reduces missed or double doses, improves medication safety, and supports caregivers in managing health routines more easily. Number 5, the Vosic electric floor lift, a powerful and advanced mobility support solution designed to safely lift seniors or patients from the floor and assist with standing or transferring without strain or risk. This device is especially useful for caregivers, hospitals, and home care, where safe movement and fall recovery are important. It helps reduce heavy physical effort for caregivers, provides smooth and controlled lifting after falls, improves safety during transfers between bed, chair, or wheelchair, supports elderly independence and confidence, and makes emergency recovery situations much safer, faster, and more reliable. Number 6, the Pelican shower chair for elderly, a safe and stable chair designed for easier bathing for seniors and patients. It provides strong support, reduces fall risk, improves bathroom safety, and makes showering more comfortable and independent. Number 7, the Vosic alternating air pressure mattress pad, a medical comfort support system designed to help reduce pressure on the body for patients who spend long hours in bed. It helps prevent bed sores, improves blood circulation, provides continuous pressure relief, enhances sleeping comfort for patients, and supports better recovery and long-term care at home. All products links are in the description below. Number 8, the Lumix LF1600 Stand Assist, a heavy-duty mobility aid designed to help seniors or patients safely move from sitting to standing with strong support and stability. It provides secure lifting assistance, reduces caregiver strain, improves patient mobility and independence, enhances safety during transfers, and is built for long-term use in home care or medical environments. Number 9, the Drive Medical Scout Compact Travel Power Scooter, a portable and reliable mobility scooter designed to help seniors move independently and comfortably both indoors and outdoors. It improves mobility and independence, provides smooth and stable riding, is easy to operate and control, supports longer travel without fatigue, and makes daily movement safer, easier, and more comfortable. Number 10, the Norisha Bed Rails for Elderly Safety, a strong and reliable support aid designed to help seniors get in and out of bed safely without falling or losing balance. It provides extra bed stability, helps prevent falls during night movement, offers strong support for standing up or sitting down, improves safety for elderly care at home, and increases independence with daily mobility. Number 11, the Fanwear Dementia Restraint Gloves, a protective care product designed to help prevent self-injury and provides safer support for patients with dementia or sensitive conditions. It helps reduce harmful scratching, improves patient safety, provides gentle hand protection, and supports caregivers in daily care management. Number 12. The Bedside Commode Wheelchair, a multifunctional mobility and toilet assistance chair designed to support seniors and patients with limited movement. It provides safe bathroom access, reduces fall risk, works as both wheelchair and commode, improves mobility independence, and makes daily care easier for caregivers. Number 13. The Tiley Grab Bars for Bathtubs and Showers, a strong safety support tool designed to help seniors and patients maintain balance in slippery bathroom areas. It provides extra grip support, reduces fall risk, improves bathroom safety, is easy to install without drilling, and helps users feel more secure and independent during bathing. Number 14. The King Pavanini 6PC's Orthopedic Bed Wedge Pillow, a comfort support system designed to improve sleep posture and reduce body pressure for better rest and recovery. It helps relieve back and neck pain, improves sleeping posture, supports better blood circulation, reduces body pressure, and provides adjustable comfort for long hours in bed. All products links are in the description. Number 15. The Odaxia Fidget Apron for Elderly, a sensory activity apron designed to keep hands engaged and provide comfort for seniors, especially those with dementia or anxiety. It helps reduce restlessness, improves hand activity, provides mental stimulation, offers calming effects, and supports emotional comfort in daily care. Number 16. The Fetal Back Brace Support Belt, a strong support belt designed to help reduce lower back pain and improve posture during daily activities. It provides firm lumbar support, helps reduce back pain, improves posture, supports recovery from strain or injury, and makes movement more comfortable and stable. Number 17. The Niahin Scrub Suit Set, a comfortable and durable medical uniform designed for healthcare workers and caregivers. It provides all-day comfort, allows easy movement, is breathable and lightweight, looks professional, and is ideal for long working hours in hospitals or home care settings. Number 18. The Mexit Leg Pillow Elevation, a specially designed orthopedic support pillow that elevates your legs to improve comfort, recovery, and daily relaxation for seniors, patients, or anyone dealing with leg pain or swelling. It helps reduce swelling in legs and ankles, improves blood circulation, relieves pressure on the lower back, knees, and hips, supports post-surgery recovery and injury healing, and provides better sleeping posture for deeper and more comfortable rest. Number 19. The Able Life Vehicle Support Handle, a compact and durable mobility support tool designed to help seniors or anyone with limited strength safely get in and out of vehicles without slipping or losing balance. It provides strong and stable grip support, reduces fall risk during car entry and exit, fits most vehicle door latches, is lightweight and portable for travel use, improves independence, and makes everyday transportation safer and easier for both users and caregivers. At number 20, the Rehand Walking Cane, a strong and adjustable walking cane for better balance and support. It improves stability, reduces fall risk, is lightweight, and helps safe walking indoors and outdoors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful Amazon product videos. All products links are in the description below.